Thank you for visiting Litsen RV and for the opportunity to unveil for you the all-new, all-weather Winnebago Solis, the latest in fuel-efficient camper vans designed for van life to be as versatile as it is affordable, whether you're cruising beachside or staying slopeside, and it's available here at Litsen RV, America's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries. We're located only 1 mile north of the Winnebago factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, and recently named by the manufacturer, Winnebago Industries, as the North American top dealer for sales volume across all of the motorized coach divisions of Winnebago Industries, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, but reaching out across all of North America for that top sales volume award now for the past 5 consecutive years. However, most importantly, be the first to break in and protect your new fuel-efficient Ram Promaster chassis in accordance with the way Ram Promaster outlines inside their owner's manuals, in which there certainly is a definitive break-in procedure in which they recommend, if possible, no towing for the first 1,000 miles, driving moderately during the first 300 miles, and after the first 60 miles with speeds up to 50 or 55 miles per hour. Be the first to sleep in your Murphy Plus bed, your overhead studio loft bed, and eat that first meal in your factory fresh dinette, available here at Litsen RV. The Winnebago Solis is the latest entry into van life generation, featuring surf to slope 4-season design. It features all-season insulation and plumbing with all of the water lines fully enclosed inside the van. We include a space-expanding rear annex with a privacy screen and a heated bathroom that doubles as a drying room for wet gear. We also include off-the-grid capabilities with a standard 220 watts of flexible solar, recharging dual Group 31 absorbed glass mat maintenance-free batteries providing 210 amp hours of energy. The solar is expandable up to 520 watts off of the single solar charge controller. Off-the-grid capabilities also mean 4-season insulation and plumbing with all of the water lines enclosed inside the van. The Solis is work and play friendly. The floor plan features sleeping for 4 adults with the versatile Murphy Plus bed that includes a table on the flip side for an additional movable workspace for beautiful views, whether you're balancing playtime, daydreams, and deadlines. The Solis is also family friendly, featuring sleeping space for 4 adults plus a dinette with 3-point safety belts for a total of 4 3-point safety belts inside the Solis. As we walk around the exterior of the Winnebago Solis, at only 19.5 feet long and under 9 feet tall, this van is powered by the tried and true fuel-efficient Ram Promaster 2500 series chassis, the US version of what has become Europe's most successful van from Fiat, the Ducato. It features the 3.6-liter Promaster V6 gasoline engine featuring front-wheel drive, 280 horses, 260 pounds-feet of torque or power. It's then mated up with a 6-speed automatic transmission with grade braking capabilities. This is the same wheelbase as the Winnebago Travato at 159 inches, yet without the overhang, brings nimble maneuverability at 19 feet 6 inches long, and the 2500 chassis provides a gross vehicle weight rating of 8,900 pounds with plenty of occupant and cargo carrying capacity. To the rear, we feature a full 3,500-pound factory-installed tow package that allows you to bring a storage pod, bike rack, trailer, or even a small car behind. Estimated to achieve 18 to 22 miles per gallon highway, with a 24-gallon fuel capacity, the Solis has an estimated cruising range of just under 525 miles. We also feature safety enhancements such as 3-point safety belts both in the cab and in the front-facing dinette, dual front airbags, and 4-wheel anti-lock brakes. Of course, the latest in modern technology and connectivity with a front infotainment radio with an LCD touchscreen color monitor and Bluetooth capabilities for hands-free calling, voice guidance in Apple or Google Maps, and listening to your favorite radio apps such as SiriusXM Satellite Radio, Spotify, Pandora, and Radio App One. Also within the infotainment radio, then we feature a color rear view camera monitoring system to keep an eye on your gear to the rear. All-season capabilities include automotive-grade EPS insulation with thicker insulation in the walls and roof lines with the highest R values of any RV in the RV industry. Designed to keep the sand and snow out, yet being able to access cargo from the rear, the flooring includes a durable, tough, anti-skid honeycomb design with polyethylene construction, providing rigid stability without any risk of warping with water penetration as you go surfside or slopeside. Cleansing off your gear features dual exterior wash stations to help keep your gear clean, with one in the rear cargo and annex area, as well as one near the main sliding cargo door area. The rear annex provides an innovative combination of a rear screen with Velcro and magnets, featuring a rear curtain that can work as a privacy panel or modesty panel. The tarp panel also then can be left attached to the rod with magnets to the rear of the van to create an awning to the rear. It can also then double as a blackout curtain for separating the coach to the cab if you don't want to use the privacy shades up front. The rear annex includes access to the storage underneath the bed and floor, and the storage area includes 1 inch of insulation around the wheel wells for quiet touring and a great automotive thermal break. The exterior wash station to the rear includes easy to follow labels for valve locations for normal usage, sanitizing the tanks, adding water to the tanks, and winterizing and de-winterizing. Roll-up shades to the rear and to the patio area keep bugs out with an innovative annex that includes that shower location prior to rear entry. The rod and privacy screen provided for the rear annex can also be used as a rear awning. The prop rod holds the doors open even during wind. It features a great area for a clothing rod, but also a modesty panel with Velcro straps to provide functional privacy access. Using the exterior wash station, you can also then save on gray tank usage. The roll-up side screen and rear doors are made to take a beating while providing reliable insect protection. The innovative magnetic closure allows for hands-free egress and helps keep the bugs out. Towards the patio area, the aluminum wider running board features a logoed non-skid tread with a pet loop or bicycle tie-out on each side, which is wide enough that you could also use this exterior running board as an exterior bench. And as we wrap up to the exterior, we'll cover the balance of specifications. The Solace features 6 gallons of LP on board, primarily used for the Truma Combi Eco system that we'll cover here in a moment. The coach features 24 gallons of total freshwater capacity, a 20-gallon gray tank, and then also a fully enclosed 5-gallon cassette toilet for the black tank. As we work our way towards the interior, the Solace camper van is available in the Nomad Fabrics collection with the weathered teak cabinetry, handcrafted here in Forest City by Winnebago Industries, so that not only can we maximize interior storage, but we can minimize tolerances in fit and finish compared to competing manufacturers that have to purchase their cabinetry and design their floor plan around cabinets purchased from a third-party supplier. Plus, Winnebago's cabinetry and appliances are mounted in the steel structure of the van for maximum safety and durability. Compared to the Pleasureway Tofino and other competing manufacturers, since we use the 2500 series high-top van from Ram Promaster, we maintain a 6-foot 2-inch interior ceiling height, whereas the Tofino only uses the 1500 half-ton chassis with a challenging ability to even stand up straight inside. You'll find versatile sleeping capabilities with the Murphy Plus bed to the rear that includes a workstation or dining table on the underside to create a movable workspace when you balance playtime, daydreams, and deadlines, with a great sleeping space with queen bed dimensions at 59 by 77 inches. The Murphy Plus bed features the European slat suspension that provides for fresh air ventilation to keep your bed nice and cool, yet maintaining a comfortable, firm mattress. Even if that bed is left made up, it still provides for great storage underneath the Murphy Plus bed. Underneath that Murphy Plus bed, as the bed is hinged up towards the sidewall, it features a sliding workstation that hooks on and slides that can be used by the galley for extra countertop space, or slid back and someone can then be working out the rear with beautiful rear views towards the aft access to the van. An innovative galley extension and additional prep station can be used. It can be used as a workstation, or it can be used as a great patio serving area out the back. A second option for the sleeping surface is the overhead loft bed, also known as a pop-top sleeping area, that features the FROLI Deluxe Sleep System. It features room for 2 adults at 52 by 79 inches, a tremendous amount of cargo weight inside the studio loft bed with a 440-pound limit. It also then features 3 different viewing spots from the overhead loft bed. A dual-piece ladder conveniently stores in the overhead cab shelving area. Wonderful fresh air ventilation is included throughout the Solace with the built-in Max Air Premium vent system, with an innovative built-in rain shield on the powered roof vent that protects the interior of your van from rainwater. The reversible 10-speed fan has a thermostat to regulate airflow inside the camper van, with higher CFM for air movement that circulates air even when the vent is closed or open, so it can be used as an interior ceiling fan. It also allows you to open the vent and operate the fan in any weather with the sealed marine rain hood. It eliminates the need to install a separate exterior vent cover. Inside the kitchen and galley, an innovative front dinette includes a multi-position lagoon-style swivel table and includes armrests for the forward-facing dinettes, along with 3-point safety belts. A spacious side-hung window with a roll-up zipper-style full blackout shades don't take up any room. They're extremely quiet, they won't bounce around during transit, and they provide the added thermal break. Underneath these dual true 3-point safety belt seating positions, storage is underneath this area, as well as the Truma Combi Eco heating and hot water delivery system. An innovative NovaCool compressor-driven refrigerator is used with convenient access from outside the van or inside the van. So you can load groceries from the exterior of the van and access that compressor-driven refrigerator inside the van or outside. Compressor refrigerators and freezers do not require the RV to be level compared to absorption or LP refrigerators. They work great at higher altitudes and are much more energy efficient compared to consuming the same amount of 12-volt power as a normal 40-watt light bulb when at operating temp. Durable aluminum extruded design is used in the cabinetry that includes an innovative magnetic stay open to allow for accessing every square inch of storage without having to duck under traditional cabinet struts. With slam latches, positive lock latching is included for the cabinetry and drawers and are designed for durability. Underneath the high-endurance laminate countertops is an innovative pull-out countertop extension. And of course, throughout the kitchen, we include the dual burner stainless steel LP range top with the backsplash, as well as a stainless steel sink. Freshwater is fully enclosed inside the van for 4-season operation, and capacity levels are easily obtained at a glance to the gallon with the calibrated illuminated sight glass. It also features a hot loop circulate that allows you to draw hot water to any faucet without wasting water, as it purges this back into the same freshwater tank, which is handcrafted and designed with seamless one-piece rotocast construction to eliminate leaks, to maximize storage, and then to also provide maximum total freshwater capacity at 24 gallons. A similar design to the 4x4 all-season Winnebago Revel, the bathroom includes a single-piece surround and single-piece pan to minimize maintenance. This area is also heated through the Truma system and provides a 24 by 31 inch shower. Within this innovative bath in one, we include integrated molded shelf supports for additional shelving if used as a gear garage. Inside the bathroom then, a 5-gallon cassette toilet allows you to function with a portable holding tank. Instead of the traditional holding tank mounted to the van and having to find a drainage station, this portable cassette can be removed and dumped in public restrooms or at dump stations. This system is great when RVing off the grid in locations without a dump station. Instead of having to drive to a nearby drainage station, you can remove the cassette and walk it to the bathroom area. Heating and hot water delivery in the Winnebago Solis is provided by the 97% energy efficient Truma Combi Eco furnace and water heater in one appliance, saving space and weight for your van. A 2.6 gallon water tank, which is also heated in the winter, is integrated into the heating system. In summer mode, you can heat the water independently of the furnace. The warm air flows into the vehicle's interior through multiple air outlets, including the heated bathroom, which is then distributed optimally to ensure a pleasant indoor climate. The Truma Combi heater is whisper quiet and extremely economical to run. So as we wrap up to the rear, we'll cover one last sweeping shot as I want to take this opportunity to thank you for visiting Litsen RV and for the opportunity to unveil for you the Winnebago Solis camper van, the all-new, all-weather, fuel-efficient camper van designed to be as versatile as it is affordable, whether you're cruising beachside or staying slopeside, and it's available here at Litsen RV, America's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries. We're located only 1 mile north of the Winnebago factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, and recently named by the manufacturer Winnebago Industries as the North American top dealer for sales volume across all of the motorized coach divisions of Winnebago Industries, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, but reaching out across all of North America for that top sales volume award now for the past 5 consecutive years. However, most importantly, be the first to break in and protect that fuel-efficient Ram Promaster chassis in accordance with the way Ram Promaster outlines inside their owner's manuals, in which there certainly is a definitive break-in procedure, in which they recommend, if possible, no towing for the first 1,000 miles and varying your speeds to break in and seat those cylinders in that Promaster V6, as opposed to the way a delivery driver may and do tow their own vehicle out to your local dealership. Be the first to break in and protect that new powertrain, sleep that first night in the overhead studio loft or the Murphy Plus bed, and eat that first meal in your factory fresh Solace, available here at Litsen RV. Thank you for visiting Litsen RV here in Forest City, Iowa, the home of Winnebago Industries. I'm Ron Litsen, and I want to thank you for visiting our dealership here in Forest City, Iowa. Here are some great points from the Litsen RV team as to points unrelated to price why you should experience the best here at Litsen RV.
New motorhomes from Litsen RV have no delivery miles on them. We do not use delivery services like other dealers in which drivers live in the RV during transportation or tow their own personal vehicle during the crucial engine break-in period.
There are no additional fees with purchasing in the state of Iowa, as the customer will pay their tax, title, and license in which the state that they register their RV. However, we do help in assisting titling your RV in your home state. As you can see, we help people day in and day out all over the United States and Canada with titling their motorhome.
Due to our close proximity to Winnebago factory, we're able to take advantage of cost savings over other RV dealerships. This allows us to provide you with low, no-hassle pricing.
We offer free, thorough walkarounds with our guests at the time of delivery, where we take as much time as needed for our guests to understand every function, maintenance, and warranty item of their RV. Many dealers charge a significant sum to provide this service.
Here at Litsen RV, we provide our guests the opportunity to stay on our lot while enjoying free access to Wi-Fi, filtered fresh water, and electrical hookups, whether they're here to take delivery of their new RV or just passing through for service.
We work with several different lenders in order to secure you the most competitive rates and terms.
We also offer insurance from several different insurance carriers such as Progressive and Nationwide.
Purchase and service your RV and experience the best at Litsen RV, the nation's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries, based right here in Forest City, Iowa.